Hello everyone. We are going to talk about another way to make VLANs communicate with each other called Switch Virtual Interface or SVI. So SVI is a virtual interface on a layer 3 switch that allows it to route between VLANs without using router. So this concept is one of the inter-VLAN routing concept that we have no need router to do it, just use layer 3 switch only. So I will tell you about how to configure it and how it works. So now look at the picture. Imagine that you have two VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Here VLAN 20 and VLAN 10. So here's switch 1, here's switch 2, and this is core switch. So how can we make switch 1 can talk to switch 2? So here we will break down it. Firstly, we need to know that from PC to switch 1 we use access port, and we let PC to S2 we use access port 2. Here, just think about the core switch. What will we do with core switch? So firstly, just want all of you to know that we need to create VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 on core switch. It means that on switch 1 we create VLAN 10 and switch 2 VLAN 20 and core switch both VLAN. So the question is, why do we create the same VLAN on switch 1 and core switch, and same VLAN on switch 2 and core switch as well? So just think that VLAN doesn't travel on its own. It means that if you create VLAN 10 on switch 1, VLAN 10 is only stay at switch 1. So we need to create VLAN 10 on core switch in order to move access multiple switch. Yes. So here VLAN 10. So if both have VLAN 10 and name the same, they can communicate with each other. So at switch 2 and 2 core switch is the same. And after that, just think about VLAN on the core switch. So for VLAN on the core switch, VLAN 10. Just imagine that like router on a stick, we need default gateway. So for layer 3 switch we need default gateway as well. So when we configure it, when we put it, you can go to interface VLAN 10 and set the IP address as default gateway, that 10.1.10.1. So here just like IP address on VLAN 10, but technically it as default gateway for PC as VLAN 10. So at the switch 2 we do the same. We go to interface VLAN 20, put the IP address 10.1.20.1 here. So we have the IP address for both VLAN, but they still cannot talk to each other. Maybe maybe you don't know why. Because switch won't route between them unless we turn on the routing function. It means that we need to route between switch 1 to switch 2. So just use only one command on the call switch is IP routing. So this command is used to route between S1 to S2. You can see that by the pictures I sent you. And from here, from call to switch 1, from call to switch 2, we create the same VLAN, the same name. But for interface, for port, we don't use the command for permission yet. So from switch to call switch, we use trunk port. And from call to switch, we use trunk port as well. So that's it. And now I have some command to tell you. Here, command add call switch. Call switch only just switch, it's the same. Firstly, we need to go to global mode and create VLAN. VLAN 10, name LAN 10. Here you can see that. After that, VLAN 20, name LAN 20. After that, we go to interface VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So here this command interface VLAN 10, and we put the IP address 10.1.10.1, and here something like 0, no shutdown. After that, we go to interface VLAN 20, IP address 10.1.20.1, and subnet mask. After that, no shutdown. Here, this command for create VLAN and IP address for VLAN. After that, we need to use command IP routing for route between switch 1 and switch 2. Here, that's all. We use this command in call switch, and from call switch to switch 1 and switch 2, we use trunk port. From switch to PC, we use access port. You can do it by yourself, I know that. So that's it for today. Now look at our lab.